Hello everybody, this is the shopping center island which I uploaded from Zataru, I believe. And considering that my goal project for this course is to create a shopping experience, this seemed like something I should really check out. So there's some things that I like about it, and something in the sense that it's a blank slate. The little storefronts are there. I imagine I can add signs or maybe sandwich boards or something like that to the buildings. It looks like on the top of the building that'd actually be kind of cool to um, put a custom sign or something like that on the top too, since we fly in a virtual world. And I like that there's other space around the perimeter too, so that's something that I could customize. It also has the open air concept that I described earlier, so I have this nice walkway and those kinds of sidewalk areas that I could still include things like the popcorn cart and such. What I'm curious about is if I can delete some of these buildings and make it easier access to the open space. So while we're recording here, I thought it would be kind of interesting to see if I could do that. So we're going to right click over this and I'm going to take the building. Hey, and look at that. Gone. Love it. So I kind of think I might stick with this particular layout and work with some more advanced features of exploring this great beyond. As you may have also noticed, my avatar is interesting, and I am feeling a little vulnerable about that, so we're going to see if I can maybe change the look of my avatar.